Well, good morning, YouTubers. Here we are in Colorado Springs. You can see the price of diesel is $5 a gallon and $5.05 if you're paying credit card. $3.89. We got a nice little snow squall going on since 11 o'clock last night. It's supposed to be going to 5 p.m. today. I looked on the old weather map and it's just rotating from the bottom of the state all the way past Cheyenne, Wyoming. I mean, you're talking, what, 400 plus miles there of a snowstorm just going around and around. Yeah. Highway's right there, and you can see there's no one running on the highway. Except one car. Make me a liar. 2 cars. Looks like they're getting on the expressway. 3 cars. 4 cars. I looked on the map, and the highway was all tied up. So, just give you a taste of the winter storm. I'm just sitting. I'm not one of those guys gonna go out there and cause a wreck or have my truck to, injured because of someone else's stupidity. Smarter to sit. And instead of just getting out there and joining the crazies. Well, have a good evening or a good morning, depending on where you're at. This is from Colorado Springs. So, like, subscribe, share, tell your friends, and please subscribe. It helps the algorithm with YouTube to get me out there more so more people see my videos, and I'd appreciate it. So thank you for your time.